In this lesson, we'll review a sequence or repeating pattern question. We're on page 852, question 18 out of 20. We know this is a difficult problem. Remember, with every sequence question, there are usually two steps. The first, you'll be given some type of rules, in this case steps, and you have to correctly apply the rules. And once you do that, then you have to arrive at what the question's asking for. So we start out at ABC. You don't need to draw with the braid, just focus on the letters. But the question, the call of the question, at what numbered step does the braid first repeat? So it started at ABC. We want to correctly apply the steps, the rules, and we want to get back down to ABC. How many steps is that? So before we apply the steps, we need to figure out the rules. So step one, we are told, here's the rule. The outer left A is brought over wire B to the middle. All right, so left is brought to the middle. And we're given the first couple of steps, which really helps us because then we can make sure that we're doing this right. So starting at ABC, the outer left is brought to the middle. So now A is in the middle, and that should be BAC, and we do have that. Now let's take a look at step two. Step two, the outer right, C, is brought to the new middle position. So now it's the outer right to the middle. And again, we're given step two. So now the outer right is brought to the middle. Now C is in the middle, BCA. And it just keeps repeating how many steps to get to ABC again. So it just keeps going left, right. It should get easier once you do it a couple times. Again, this is more of a reasoning question. You just have to kind of pay attention. So now let's go to step three. So to get to step three, we know the outer left goes to the middle. So now C is on the left, and B, and A. That is step three. Now we're going to go back to step two and do the outer right. So the outer right now goes to the middle. So this is C, A's in the middle, B's on the outside. So already at step four. Now we're going to do it again, outer left. It should get easier, right? So outer left to the middle. And now A is to the left, C is in the middle, and B is to the right. And then I hope it's this one because we don't have any more space. It is. All right, so now outer right to the middle. So A, B is in the middle, and C, and we do have this. So let's just count the steps. So we already had 1 and 2. This was 3, 4, 5. Step 6. We arrive at A, B, C. Step 6. Again, these sequence questions are really, you've got to pay attention. They're more reasoning questions, but if you just understand the rules and then correctly apply, and hopefully it should get easier after you do it a few times, the answer here is 6, D. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.